My name is Steve Jacobson. I'm the Environmental Health and Safety Manager at Verbio South Bend Ethanol. My job is to basically make sure that we're in compliance with any government regulations on the environmental side. And on the health and safety side, I want to make sure our employees are safe and that we comply with any standards that OSHA or industry best practices might require. Verbio at the South Bend Ethanol plant manufactures ethanol for fuel. We make that ethanol by grinding up corn from area cornfields. We brew it, we then distill it. That gets shipped back to basically tank farms where tanker trucks will go to fill up your gas station. I spend some of my time collecting data, filling out reports and submitting those to government agencies. I also spend time walking through the plant, making sure that we're actually complying in person with any of these requirements. I answer a lot of questions. What I like most about my job is I'm surrounded by very smart people. I also like the fact that we're part of the community as it relates to using the corn that's grown in this area and turning that right back around into a product that probably everybody uses. There's probably 4 avenues that you could use to get into the industry. On a volunteer side, especially for somebody young or just starting out, if your interest is to go to college, you could work for a service provider. There are consulting firms or like the hazardous waste company that I worked for. If you're interested in the government side of things, you could work for a local or state agency. And then manufacturing, probably a couple of ways to get into it in manufacturing. I think it's a good career.